So I'm here today with Miss Victoria. How we doing, lady?
Good.
Come on. I'm well, thank you for asking. So polite. Victoria is an entrepreneur, a vlogger, a businesswoman, an athlete. Well, the list goes on, yes?
Yeah.
Come on. And you've been working out a lot, my dear?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay, cool. So she knows about staying active. And so we're checking her spinal alignment. She's in for her tune-up. And we're gonna breathe in nice and deep. And all the way out. Yes, ma'am. Shoulders loose and relaxed right there. Beautiful motion, T7. That is a very specific adjustment as opposed to just some docs just do a general push on the spine. We're gonna come on over facing me this way, dear. There we go. And what we're gonna do is adjust her lower back. Hips relax, Miss Vic. There you go. Nice to see you, dear.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
Hips relax. Drop the hip. Yep, just like that. Loosen the shoulders.
Oh, yes.
There we go. All right, and we're gonna go over this way now, please. So that was her upper lower back, her upper lumbar. Now we're going to the lower. I'm gonna move her this way. Shoulders, hips relax. Yes, ma'am. Breathe in deep. Right there. Excellent, dear. We're gonna lay onto our back, please. Come up this way a little bit, Vic. Perfect. A little higher actually. There we go. Head relaxed. So as we feel her spine, her muscles, what we're doing is we're feeling for tone, tension, tightness in the muscles, the state of her nervous system we can feel through her spine as she relaxes, as she's stressed. Is she holding tension or tightness in a certain area? We're going to continue to breathe in. Head all the way relaxed, all the way over. This is a tight spot for her sometimes. We're going to breathe in again. And out. Okay, head, body stays there, head bends easy.
There you go.
There we go. And breathe again, yes. All the way, breathe. Drop the head a little over to the right, just like that. Drop again. Oof. Now, sometimes we don't get movement when it's really tight, so gentle stretch. We're going to recheck. Going to reassess the joint motion here. There we go. We're going to take a different approach, a different angle. Slow breath in. And out. And bring it over even more. One more breath in. And out. There. Beautiful.
Oh, shit. That was so good.
We got it.
Woo.
So the spine was out of alignment. Careful assessment and specificity allows for those alignments. Good job, Dave.
Good job, good job.